Praise the Lord, everybody. Listen, praise the Lord, people of God. Listen, I just got something to say. Please pray for my mama, y'all. So as y'all know, I'm from South Florida. Right now, I'm not currently in Florida at the moment, by the grace of God. But I'm telling my mom, I'm like, Mom, you need to go to a shelter. They're saying that this hurricane is going to be really bad. My mom was like, I don't care what people got to say. She said, the Lord has given me power to speak to the storm. I said, well, Mom, you can speak to the storm from the shelter. So I just wanted to tell y'all, please pray for my mom. Lord, touch her heart that she will be saved. Lord, keep her, protect her, Father, from all hurt, harm, danger, evil. But let her use wisdom, God, and go to the shelter. But anyways, that's all I want to say. Pray for my mama, y'all. As always, I love you for real. Have an amazing day, yeah. And don't let nobody steal your joy. God bless you.